Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by securing your data. Backup photos, contacts, and settings to Google or a PC. Once done, make sure the battery is above 50% and enable developer options. Turn on USB debugging if you'll use a computer. Next, open the Themes app or a capable file manager to locate the active theme package. You want the original theme folder or VTP file accessible. These steps prevent data loss and let you reverse changes quickly. Don't skip them. You'll now remove the active theme files. Using a file manager with root or an ADB shell, go to /data/theme or /sdcard/themes and identify the current theme package. Once located, rename the folder or move it to a backup directory. That prevents permanent deletion. Then open Settings Themes and switch to the default or a stock theme. After switching, clear the Themes app cache and data to remove residual assets. This combination ensures the custom theme is full. Finish by rebooting your phone so the system loads the default resources. Check icons, fonts, and lock screen. If any custom elements remain, clear the launcher cache or reinstall the stock launcher. Make sure to also clear the Themes app cache again. If the device fails to boot or behaves oddly, restore your backup using ADB or a PC. As a last resort, perform a factory reset after confirming backups. One key tip: always keep the renamed theme backup until you're certain the phone is stable.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.